Hey, this is Jonathan Rushing with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, your roofing expert. Tile roofing. We are the experts in tile roofing, and this is very important. There are so many ways that tile roofing is not installed properly across places, especially in the Southeast like Florida or Texas, or even in the Southwest like California. You see, there's several ways and several things that you do in installing tile roofs to make sure that the roof is healthy and that it lasts against the strongest storms. The biggest thing that we see is improper install by fastening of the tile roof. Many tile roofs we see fastened with, listen to this, one single nail for one 12 or 14 pound tile. Can you imagine that? One single nail for a 14-pound piece of tile, so that when that 100-mile-an-hour wind comes from the hurricane, it just lifts that tile and it rips right out and causes all kinds of problems throughout your roof. So fastening is huge in tile. You need to make sure it has screws, at least 2 screws per tile, and the ridges and perimeters, we recommend foam, if not for the whole thing. And if you install it to those specifications, only the strongest Category 4, Category 5 hurricanes are going to damage that roof. So call us, because we are the tile experts. We know what to look for as far as fastening patterns. We know what to look for as far as cracked tile, heat fractures, weight fractures. We know what to look for as far as lift, wind lift, shifting, and all of the things that have happened after storms. We are there to give you our expert opinion about what we see as the health of that roof. Give us a call, 1-800-977-6638.